That effect is called the rapid shatter effect, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this. Also, we're going to learn how to make this halftone effect, which is trending now. I know it's been a week, I didn't upload any video cause I'm stuck in some shit, but now we will be consistent. Before we get in, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel for more content. Alright, this tutorial will be real quick. So first I'm going to show you how you can match beats perfectly. I already told you about beats in this video, but I'm going to tell you again. So first, extract the audio from the edit. Now to match beats on Capcut, you can do two things. First is this auto beats feature that Capcut provides, which is average. You just need to enable the auto generate option and it automatically tracks like where the beats are. You can see it tracked well. It's because this audio's flow is same. Like just repeating the same thing again, that's why. But in case, if you don't want to use this feature, you can do this. Download any edit video you like. Now you just have to extract that video's audio like I did before, and now where the next transition is happening, mark the beats manually on that point. Repeat this process until the edit ends. This way you can able to mark beats on Capcut, like I personally use this method when I get confused. Now you will have your mark beats ready. You can just delete the video and add your original video for edit. Now come to main project to do rapid shatter transition, get your all clips ready. Now make your all clips as an overlay. Do this. Make it overlay. Now move it 3 to 4 frames on top of the first clip like this. Extend the clip to beat for seamless transition. Now again, make an overlay of next clip. And again, move it 3 to 4 frames to first one like this, and extend it to next beat. You can add any background image if you feels like confused between beats and clips. After making 2 clips one over the other, add 2 keyframes like this and drag the first one up. Don't drag it completely, give some space and add graph. Do same thing with all clips. Now after making clips accordingly, it looks like this. Like I make a pyramid type shit, but anyway, after this, go to first overlay and add oblique blur. Make it all and adjust, rotate 50 and blur 60. Copy it 4 to 5 times and you're done. It's done, it's lagging now, but after exporting it will fixed. Head to the next effect, which is halftone. To make it do what I do, add this halftone image to overlay, move it to middle of the transition. Go to splice, make it overlay. Now go to animation, use fade in animation to first frame and fade out to last. Add this filter. Use 3 keyframes like this. Turn opacity of middle key 100 and rest 0. Also, you can use custom adjustment to make it more darker. After adding filters, now add some shake effects to give it a volume. Follow my adjustment for perfect shake transition. Now add oblique blur. Use ease in graph to all. It's done. I hope you liked this video. Next video will be coming soon. Till then, watch these videos and level up.